Alright, this is a recording for April. And we're approaching third week of April. And without further ado, let's get on with it. I haven't done this in a while, but why not? Hopefully I can get back in the groove, but I haven't really charted anything yet, so I'm gonna work through this myself right now. Hmm. This is interesting because there's so many possibility for this. Okay. I don't really see much for gold. We have been bullish, extremely, extremely bullish past few weeks, 2 months. Um, Silver also almost reaching all-time high. Most likely gonna keep on going up. With the Iran Israeli war. I don't see it, man. I really don't see any opportunity on the metal market. It's way too complicated right now. It's very complicated. This is probably it. I don't really have any plans for metal. We'll have to see metal align more than anything. Take any trades. Alright. As for this, Euro USD. He finally broke through this area. All we could see is this goes up, and then continuation. Freaking retest is very possible. So I'm still very much interested in that. If we do continue, the next zone is for pips away. I think it's the same for GU, a bit less on GU, but looking to take EU trade GBPNZD, right now, seeing a very gentle decline. We could possibly keep on seeing this until we see a tap, and then by the time it reaches there, it hits a trend line. This trend line is great. We saw, this making a high compared to this major one. So this would make a great pullback to then continue upwards. So position like this, I am very interested in. Definitely not gonna miss out on this. And in terms of alignment, we could use EMAs as alignments. For S&P 500, what could very much be the case right now is we are seeing a temporary slump. Although it could be much worse than this. We might see price moving down a lot more due to the fact that we are now engaged in a third potential war between Israel and Iran. US is also supplying ammunitions and funds for Israel. And so with that in mind, that's going to put a toll on the taxpayers, right? So we might see money being pulled out of the stock market due to that. All right. UJEJ, I don't really have any interest. Next one is here. Although, this one right here is also interesting, but I would rather use it as a confluence more. EJ and DJ right now is very similar, so we can definitely use these two as a confluence, a strong confluence. All right. So right now, the JPY pairs, I'm not too interested. We're not seeing much of a respect on the pair. This would be the only interesting one with the JPY, in my opinion. That's about it. There isn't much right now, in my opinion. We're gonna wait. We're gonna mostly wait to see alignment to take trades. Most likely. Yeah, right now we are on a downward channel. Definitely hit here 200 pips and 10 trading days, so 2 weeks. Or we could go 200 pip up and basically meet with this interest zone of interest. We'll most likely need a alignment because this is a gray box and gray box is a C grade trade. I mean C grade setup, which is the lowest setup that I chart and take. We're going to need alignment or breach and timing. What we could see is if we completely ignore the resistance made within the 70 pip zone, shoot straight up, a short would be very interesting. So far, this is all that I am interested in. I don't see any other one being more interesting than this. Okay. Yeah, that's about it.